Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to play EAFC 26 10 hours trial with EA Play. Okay, so the game is included and you'll see this right here, for example. And what you need to do, for example, if you are on PlayStation, what you do, as you can see there's a game trial. You can go to your subscriptions on your PlayStation Store, just scroll down until you see EA Play and click on Learn More. And here you can get either the 12 months or a 1 month. Now, this one, by the way, it bills every month until you cancel it. So what I want you to do is just come here, get the 1 month. Okay, click here, accept. And then what you need to do is just go ahead and cancel so you don't get charged recurring. And then when you go back to FC26, right, you'll see game trial. You can click on this to begin the download and you should get your 10 hours trial. Really that easy. Found this helpful? Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.